ChatGPT will build you a digital product in minutes and it'll look great and nobody will buy it. Because AI doesn't know your price is wrong or your format or your positioning. Now, I have watched thousands of creators hit this exact wall. The ones who get past it are making real money, and I'm talking anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000 a month. But the ones who don't, they make nothing. The 3 AI prompts I'm about to give you fix what ChatGPT on its own can't see. Copy and paste them, they're free. You can grab them in the description below. I'm Jillian Leslie. My husband and I built MiloTree, a platform creators use to sell digital products without the tech headache. I've helped thousands make their first sale. I've watched what separates the ones who sell from the ones who don't. It's these 3 things, so let's start. If you've watched my videos before, you've heard me say this: stop selling information, sell the transformation. An information product just tells people what to know. AI generates that for free now, so nobody pays for it. But a transformational product moves someone from stuck and overwhelmed to confident and done. The test: if the name of your product doesn't make someone picture their life improving in the future, that's just information, so please rewrite it. Now, the first prompt I'm sharing with you makes your product transformational, and it figures out your audience's real pain point, because chances are you might be too close to your own niche to see it. It's on the screen right now and in the description. Pause and grab it below. I want to sell a digital product. I'm good at add your skill. I help. This is who my audience is. And then here is the type of digital product I want to sell. Now the prompt goes on to figure out your audience's biggest pain point and give you 3 product ideas with real transformations. Now run it and drop your strongest product idea in the comments. I read all of them and I'll give you my honest feedback. Okay, the second prompt. The one almost nobody gets right, the purchasing trigger. So every product that sells taps into at least one of these 6 purchasing triggers. Can your product make somebody money, save somebody time, move somebody toward happiness, move them away from pain, or raise their social status? Most creators just bury this. They name their product something like Meal Prep Guide, and guess what? It doesn't sell. You need to have the name talk about the trigger. So something like 7-day meal prep jumpstart. That way you're hitting the triggers. You're hitting save time, move away from pain right there. And this prompt finds your dominant trigger and rewrites your product name around it. This is the kind of thing we obsess over at MiloTree because the name is doing so much of the selling. Okay, the third prompt. This one does 2 jobs because they're linked. The first is it gives your product idea a suggested price. The price is based on the outcome you're promising, not the format of your product. So if you could help someone make money or grow a business, you could charge more. But if you're offering, say, a lifestyle or hobby product, you probably can't charge as much. If your price feels out of whack, the buyers can tell, and that's one of the reasons they don't buy. And that's why this prompt is important. The prompt also tells you how quickly you can make this product. This is where products die before they ever exist. You think about creating like a 200-page ebook, but you know you'll never finish it. So this prompt redesigns your idea into something a beginner can create fast. Maybe a short guide as a beginner. Here is the math, because I don't want you taking my word for it. Picture a coach who helps women navigate a midlife career change. Her product is $47. The Midlife Career Reset, find your next move in 30 days. Okay, 110 sales she gets from pins on Pinterest, YouTube videos, and her email list. Boom, that's $5,170. A $19 order bump she adds. That's a small add-on someone can opt in at checkout. Here, hers is a transferable skills worksheet. Great. 40 people take it, that's another $836. Then on the thank you page, after someone purchases, she offers an upsell, a $197 private 90-minute career strategy session. 8 people opt in, that's $1,576. All in, we're talking $7,582 a month. This isn't magic. It's just 3 products made right. Remember what I said at the start. ChatGPT builds the wrong product beautifully because it doesn't know if you're selling a real transformation, if you're hitting the right buying trigger, or if your price and scope will actually work. With these 3 prompts, you aren't guessing anymore. But if you want an even easier way to get at real product ideas that will sell, we built this functionality right inside MiloTree, and it's completely free. No credit card needed. We call it our AI product finder. You just answer 3 questions, and then in 60 seconds, you get 3 product ideas fully spec'd out with the name, suggested price, what's included, and how long it will take for you to build it. Then, just pick one of these 3 suggested ideas, and it loads straight into your MiloTree dashboard set up and ready to sell. Now, you still need to create the product and upload it to your MiloTree dashboard if, for example, it's a digital download that will deliver directly to your customer. But that also just got a lot easier because inside your MiloTree dashboard, you can just click this button and our AI will create a product roadmap for you, giving you step-by-step instructions on how to build the product. It'll have AI prompts to help you create it fast, plus personal prompts that help you personalize it so it doesn't read like generic AI slop. I'll walk you through the roadmap in the next video, so be on the lookout. Here's what I want you to do right now. Copy the first prompt, run it in ChatGPT, drop the product idea, I'll give you my feedback, or skip the prompts. Go to MiloTree.com, sign up for free, no credit card, run the AI product finder right in your dashboard. It does all 3 in one pass, and the product you pick is set and ready to sell. Here's the part I actually believe. You were never stuck because you couldn't do this. You were stuck because you were guessing. That's the only thing that changes today. The guessing is over. The work is doable. So go find out what you can sell, and I'll see you in my next video.